8 easy ways to green your home. You don't have to be big to make a big impact. Here are some great ways that kids can help save rainforests. 1. Buy foods grown on Rainforest Alliance certified farms. Choose coffee, tea, cocoa, chocolate, bananas, orange juice, guava, pineapple, passion fruit, plantains, macadamia nuts, and flowers that come from healthy farms where rainforest is conserved and workers receive fair treatment. Find out where to buy Rainforest Alliance certified products near you. 2. Purchase Forest Stewardship Council FSC Rainforest Alliance certified wood products. Do your part to conserve forests around the world by buying wood and wood products that are responsibly harvested and processed. See a complete list of FSC Rainforest Alliance certified wood products. 3. Weather the seasons responsibly. Save energy in the winter by bundling up at home and keeping your thermostat set at 68. And use ceiling fans instead of electricity hogging air conditioners in the summer. If you simply must get away to escape the winter blues, purchase carbon offsets for your flight and choose Rainforest Alliance certified tourism businesses that take care of the environment and surrounding communities you visit. 4. Listen about rainforest and teach children, friends, and family. Our websites offer free rainforest-related lessons and activities that are used in classrooms around the country. Check out the Rainforest Alliance's kids' activities and specific profiles to explore the wonders of the rainforest and learn more about people, plants, and animals that live there. 5. Take control of your mailbox. Subscribe to a catalog choice, a free service that lets you communicate your mail preferences to companies and reduces the number of unwanted catalogs in your mailbox. Utilize the online bill pay options provided by most credit cards, gas, and electric and cable companies. 6. Support renewable energy and energy-efficient technology. Choose Energy Star rated appliances, energy-efficient light bulbs, and consider installing a solar energy system. 7. Organize a local fundraising event. Bring together neighbors, family, and friends for a rainforest run or a rainforest rummage sale, and donate the proceeds to an organization that's conserving rainforests. 8. Become a member of the Rainforest Alliance.